Welcome to MindTime. This is a Firefox browser extension that helps remind users to take regular breaks and to practice self-care. Life can get busy and often people forget to take breaks, which are very important for maintaining good mental health. Whether they're really busy with work, sucked into the crazy news of the world, or endlessly browsing through social media, having some time to pause and take a few moments for yourself can be really helpful. Here we're showing the current installation process on Mozilla Firefox. So on the About Debugging page, click on This Firefox and then Load Temporary Add-ons. Find the manifest.json file to temporarily load the plugin. You should now be able to see the plugin appear on the top right corner of your browser. The user will first need to register for an account, and we've set that up here so you can enter an ID and a password. The user will then need to log in order to use the browser extension. Once logged in, they will see this page. This is the main page of the MindTime browser extension. This extension tracks the internet usage of the user in the background. Here we can also change the frequency of these reminders, ranging from every minute to every 200 minutes. And there's also a countdown here that will tell you how long you have until your next break. We used Figma to make our application design and Adobe Illustrator for the design of our logo and task icons. We then built the front end of the extension using web extension APIs for Firefox, together with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. After that, we used Flask to build our backend server, where we did all the user authentication, data handling, and made various API endpoints to communicate with our Firefox extension. So, when users click on the register button, the extension sends an API call to our Flask server, which then in turn sends a success message back to the extension, which lets them know that they have successfully registered on the platform. We have also used JWT tokens while transferring and receiving the user data from the backend server. Oh, it's MindTime. A notification pops up and you get suggestions for various activities that you could do for a break. And you can cycle through more options by clicking the Show Me Another Idea button. We also have links to different useful, relevant resources embedded in the icons that appear here. So this extension tracks the user's internet usage in the background, and you can see that happening over here. But once the extension is opened up again, you can see that the time tracker has been updated. The user can then log out to stop tracking their browser usage. So in the future, we'd also like to add visualizations to give the user a clear picture of their browsing habits, as well as the ability to stop or pause their break reminders while still tracking their usage. Currently, we are able to host our API through Firefox, but we didn't find time to publish our extension, but we do hope to do this soon. And right now it only works on Firefox, but we would like to extend this to other browsers such as Chrome or Internet Explorer in the future. With the MindTime extension, it's time to put your mind first.